That's right. You landed on the right channel. You clicked on the right video. I'm Chizqi, and today I'm making pineapple banana smoothie with the lemon twist. Stick around to see how I get down and see my organic kitchen over to all things organic.
Turn yourself up, captivate y'all, in case there's no time left. You gotta be willing to rely on your own capacity to grow yourself. So cease to put your life in the hands of somebody else. Take a kind of desire, y'all, to belong your health.
Welcome back. It's time to hack and pack. So all we need for this one is 350 grams of pineapples, one of these, a whole entire tray of these, and 2 of these, just in case it's not sweet enough for you. All right, let's get started. Cutting up the lemon. Let's hack her up. So I like to cut the bottom and top off, and then take the blade of the knife and just go around the lemon one direction, or one way, and then the other way. All right. Now just fold it back. Fold the peels back. Pulling them off, just like so. Now, here's a way I like to remove the seeds from my lemon. Take the knife and just cut through each piece of lemon, or each slice of lemon. So you're slicing each slice of lemon just to hunt for seeds. And I found a couple of them right here. When you buy fruit, you want to make sure fruit has seeds in it. If it don't have seeds in it, it's genetically modified. GMOs. Something you want to most definitely stay away from. So this lemon has quite a bit of seeds inside of it. I have bought lemons that was labeled organic that had no seeds in it. That's kind of suspicious. Yeah, just be extremely careful doing this. Removing the seeds. Being extremely careful. Make sure I don't cut myself, but this knife is very sharp. I think that's it. Go ahead and move these seeds out the way. Get them in the trash. Have them clean in town. If you guys would like to see me hack a fresh pineapple, click the link right over my shoulder right here. And also, just in case you haven't already, don't forget to, bam, punch that subscribe button, kick that notification bell, and drop an elbow on that thumb up icon. All right, let's get this stuff packed inside the blender after I plug it up. Be back in a second. All right, got my blender plugged in. Now let's go ahead and start packing the fruit in. We're going with the pineapple first because of its juices. When you're making a smoothie, if you want it to turn out right, you want something that has a wet content, something that's juicy as a source of liquid. So pineapples go in first. Just like so. Then the lemon. And now, go ahead and go for the banana. I'm going to kind of cut it the same way we did the lemon. just slipping the knife through the bottom. I'm cutting off the bottom and the top, and then slip the knife down the back and the front. All right, fruit is inside the blender. Now we're going to blend the fruit before we add the ice and the stevia. Nice and easy, very quick. So we got two packages of stevia. You don't have to have this if you don't want it. I don't always use it, but in this case I am. And if you want it sweet enough, or more sweet to you, you just add more stevia inside of it. Want it less sweet, no stevia. All right, let's get the ice inside of it. All right, time to blend again. All right, gonna bang the side a couple of times just to make sure, get the air out of it so it'll blend properly where all the ice is blended up. We won't have any icy crunching on it. So one more shot. Well, that sounds about right. All right, let me go ahead and grab me a glass to put it in. I'm going grown man size. I like a lot of smoothie. All right. So, get it in the glass. See how much it is. It's gonna be too much for this glass. I'll just come back and drink the rest after I'm done with this. You get almost all of it inside the glass. Okay, that looks good. Looks very good. All right, last thing we need is either a spoon or a straw. Choices. I like to use a spoon with mine. Let's give it a taste. Let's give it another taste. One more taste. Yeah, just as I thought. I like it. I hope you like it too. You guys give it a try. Let us know in the comment section how it turns out after you hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See you guys back on the next one. And remember, keep all things organic.
Holistically speaking, nutrition tends to increase your wealth. However, consuming those poisonous foods cause less than a premature death. It ain't matter expression, y'all. Don't even hold your breath. Besides living disease stricken, this way too hard fell on the 12th of every month.